everybody, Rusty Rick here. So in this video I'm going to show you my 1952 Hudson Hornet. Going to be doing some upgrades to it. So I'm going to flip the camera here so we can do a walk around. Okay, so here it is. Going to be upgrading the rear end, getting rid of the original rear end. Going to put a S10 rear end under it. The front end, it's been subframed with a 79 Chevy Impala years ago. So I'm going to take the A-arms and everything off, put new ones on, and do coilover shocks. Here's under the hood. It's a 383 small block Chevy motor. Gonna get it all cleaned up, so once we get done, maybe we can take it to a couple cruises. The interior's just got some temporary seats in it. We're going to put the original ones back in. They're at the upholstery shop getting done, so they should be done here soon, and then they will be going in also. But I just wanted to show you the car and kind of talk about what I'll be doing, and I'll be making some videos as we go along. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.